honestly.
Well, I know something. What do you know?
What do you know? You go first.
I swore I wouldn't tell.
Is it about you and Jack? Because you didn't really tell me what you guys were fighting about.
Right.
You guys want to sit in the car?
Harvey, can you open the trunk? Okay, both of you get out.
Huh?
Get out! You're not allowed to come back in until both of you figure this out.
Come back in when
It's
you're
cold! Oh, whatever, shut up.
Did we let them in?
I hate you. I had a great time. Thanks for the drive. Thanks for,
Yeah, no, totally.
going out. I had fun.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. Whatever you need, really.
Thanks. Yeah, but I'll see you soon. Oh, by the way, I like you.
What? Wait. Wait. What did you say?
I like you.